Hello. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to refill the Noodlers Ahab fountain pen. The ink that I will be using for this is called the red Dragon Diamine. To take the pen apart, you take off the cap. Then you just gently twist off the cap at the end. On the inside will be the converter, or where the ink will be filled. Inside of that is a small tube where the ink will be flowing through to the tip of the pen. I was looking around a few months ago for a pen that was a bit more of a wet writing experience, because the one I currently have is the Lamy Safari and it writes a bit dry. To fill the pen, all you have to do is push down and then pull up. This is how the ink goes in and goes out of the converter. I'll show you that in a moment. To put the pen back together, you just put the small tube and make sure it lines up inside of the converter. What I like about this pen is the aesthetic look of it. The red and the black, red being my favorite color. I'll take the cap off of this bottle here now and show you how to fill this. When you're filling the pen, you want to make sure that you don't put it into the bottle any farther than the tip of the pen, such as where the red and black plastic is. You don't want to go any farther than that because it doesn't really do anything. You just want to put the pen into the ink bottle to the point to where it's at the plastic part. I gently place the pen into the ink bottle. As I'm doing this, you'll notice a couple of times I push down and then pull back up again. The reason is because the first time there's still some air left, so I do it a second time and it removes more, and then you can do a third or fourth time if need be to make sure you get as much air out as possible. And now I'm just going to take a paper towel and get all this ink off that I got all over my fingers. And get all the ink off the pen. If you have any suggestions of some other pens that you're interested in or that you've tried, go ahead and comment down below and let me know. Or if there's any pens that you're having trouble with refilling, or a pen that you want to review on, comment down below and I'll get back with you on it. To put it back together, you just put the back part on, the cap, or what you would call the body of the pen. You gently twist this on, and don't forget to put the cap back on your ink bottle. Don't want that spilling everywhere. I've always loved the look of this pen. The black, and the red, and the silver nib. And then to finish this off, I just twist on the main cap, and that's how you fill the Noodlers Ahab. Thank you for watching, and subscribe.